Hello everyone. Today we are going to conduct a lecture from the subject MWM, that is Mechanical Working Drawing. In this subject we have started unit number 4, that is production drawing, in last few hours, in last few lectures. Now in this lecture we are going to conduct a deviation. Okay, so what is meant by deviation? It is the difference between basic size and actual size, which is known as deviation. Let us see the diagram. In this diagram, shaft and hole basis system, we have seen maximum diameter, minimum diameter. See, in last few lecture, what we see, first of all, concentrate on this. In last lecture, we have covered limits, fits, and tolerances terminology. And then what is meant by tolerance, types of tolerance, limits, allowance, maximum and minimum allowance, how to calculate it, and now deviation. Now see in this lecture what is meant by deviation. The difference between basic size and actual size is known as deviation. So deviation, it is the algebraic difference between size to its corresponding basic size. It may be positive, negative, or zero. Upper deviation, it is the algebraic difference between maximum limit size and corresponding basic size. Now there are two basic size, two different size, maximum and minimum, and upper deviation means difference between maximum limit size and corresponding basic size. And the lower deviation, algebraic difference between minimum limit size and corresponding basic size. Fine. Now actual deviation, it is nothing but the algebraic difference between actual size and corresponding basic size. Now fundamental deviation. Now see carefully this diagram. It is the deviation of tolerance band away from the basic size. In this diagram, they have mentioned 35H7, capital H7, here it is, and 35 small h7. 35 is a basic size. Capital H, it means fundamental deviation for whole, and 7 is a IT grade. Same it is for the shaft, 35 basic size. And if small letter is used, then it is fundamental deviation for shaft, in IT grade for shaft. Just keep in mind, if capital letter is used, then it is for whole basis system, and if small letter is used, then it is for shaft basis system. Fine. Now, what is meant by clearance? See the diagram. Hole, shaft, maximum clearance, minimum clearance. Maximum clearance, it is the difference between minimum size of shaft and maximum size of hole. Next, minimum clearance, difference between maximum size of shaft and minimum size of hole. And mean clearance, average of minimum and maximum clearance. So, mean clearance, it is the average of minimum and maximum shaft. ह्या दोन्हीचं ॲव्हरेज जर काढलं, ॲव्हरेज म्हणजे दोन्हीची ॲडिशन करायचं आणि त्याला 2 ने डिवाइड करायचं. Okay. What is mean by average? So add maximum and minimum clearance value and divide it by 2. So we get the average, that is we will get the mean. So we call it as a mean clearance. Fine. दोन्ही गोष्टीचं average जे असेल ते असेल mean clearance. Fine. So in this lecture we have completed 2 points. First of all, deviation, and next one is a clearance. For this, we have to refer all these diagrams piston and cylinder or shaft or rod in a hole in a cylinder or diagram like this. Fine. So proper fitting should be there for all these kind of things. If and only if there is proper fitting, proper clearance, then and only then it will work properly. Okay. So in this lecture, we have completed all these things. So next lecture, we'll cover the next part. Thank you. Thank you very much.